Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to play Tower of God New World on PC Easy Method. Open BIOS and enable virtualization now, then install a reliable Android emulator and sign into Google. Allocate sufficient CPU cores and memory to the emulator for smoother frame rates. Adjust display to 16:9 and map controls to keyboard and mouse for comfort. Launch the game, complete the initial setup, and join an account or guest mode to start playing. Keep the emulator responsive by assigning dedicated CPU cores and enabling virtualization-based acceleration. Use keyboard mapping to assign abilities and create macros for repeated skill rotations to save time. Lower graphics preset if you encounter lag, and test resolution changes to balance visuals and performance. Remember to enable high priority for the emulator in your task manager to reduce background interference. Protect your progress by linking the game to an email or social login before investing time or purchases. Consider cloud save or account transfer options to move between PC and mobile without losing data. Create separate emulator profiles for alternate accounts to prevent save overwrite and to test builds. Regularly backup emulator snapshots and reviewing game settings for autosave and recovery options to keep your progression secure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.